put on your goggles. Observers without goggles must face away from the blast. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Here we have an element. The He stands for helium. The 4 stands for the mass number. The mass number accounts for the number of protons and neutrons. The 2 stands for the atomic number. The atomic number accounts for the number of electrons. All of this can be found on the periodic table. Here are the things other than elements that may be yielded during nuclear reactions. First, a proton, represented by a P. Its mass is about 1 AMU, and its charge is positive 1. Next is a neutron, represented by an N. Its mass is about 1 AMU, and its charge is 0, or it's neutral. Next is an electron, represented by an E-. Its mass is 0, and its charge is negative 1. A positron, represented by an E+, has a mass of about 0, and its charge is positive 1. Finally, an alpha particle, or a helium atom, is represented by an alpha, not an A. Its mass is 4, and its charge is positive 2. Now let's look at some nuclear reactions. Let's start with the uranium-239 atom. Its mass number is obviously 239, and its atomic number is 92. In this reaction, uranium will yield cobalt-60 with an atomic number of 27. It will also yield an unknown something. The easiest way to figure out this unknown something is by finding the difference between the reactants and products. The difference between 239 and 60 is 179. The difference between 92 and 27 is 65. If we look on the periodic table for an atomic number of 65, we find that it goes with terbium. Now let's start with a uranium-238 atom with an atomic number of 92. In this reaction, uranium will yield a yttrium-90 with an atomic number of 39 and an alpha particle. We are again left with an unknown something. Same as we did last time, let's find the difference. The difference between 238, 90, and 4 is 144. The difference between 92, 39, and 2 is 51. The element on the periodic table with an atomic number of 51 is antimony. Finally, let's start with a plutonium-244 atom and a neutron. Plutonium has an atomic number of 94 and a neutron has a mass number of 1. These two will yield iron-58 and an unknown something. This time we will add plutonium and the neutron and then find the difference with iron. 244 plus 1 minus 58 is 187. 94 plus 0 minus 26 is 68. So the new mass and atomic numbers are 187 and 68. On the periodic table, 68 goes with erbium.